Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Raj from Radical Tech Art, your process automation strategist. Today we will discuss about how to choose the right level sensor and its types and selection guide. Today's video is all about level sensors, the devices that help you to accurately detect and monitor the level of liquids, solids or powders in the tank or silos. In this session, we will cover what is level sensor, types of level sensors, and how to choose the right one for your application. So let's get started. First, let's start with what is level sensor. A level sensor detects the level of material, either liquid or solid, inside a tank, vessel, bin or silo. It can be used for continuous measurement or point level detection. These sensors are essential in industries like water and wastewater, chemicals, food and beverage industry, pharmaceuticals industry, oil and gas industry, or cement, power plants, and many more. Now, let's cover types of level sensors. First type is float level sensor. It uses a floating element to mechanically switch or measure level. It is very simple yet cost effective and good for clean liquids. Second is ultrasonic level sensor. It uses sound waves to measure level from the top, and it is non-contact and it is ideal for water and wastewater or chemical plants. Third one is capacitive level sensors. These sensors level based on the dielectric change, and it is suitable for powders, grains and some liquids. And fourth one is hydrostatic or submersible level sensor. It measures a pressure extended by liquid column, and it is great for deep tanks or wells. Fifth one is radar or microwave level sensors. It uses high frequency radar waves. It is highly accurate, works in harsh, dusty or high temperature environments. And sixth one is guided wave radar sensor. Radar signal travels down a probe and high precision and good for liquids with foam or vapor. Seventh one is magnetic level sensor. It uses magnetic float and visual indicators. It is ideal for visual and switch-based local monitoring. Eighth one is vibrating fork or tuning fork level sensor. Vibration changes when material covers the fork. It is great for powders, grains and liquids with the foam. Now, let's cover the sensor selection part. Here's how to select the right level sensor we will cover for your right application. First, you need to consider is just want to detect high or low level alarm, then go for point level sensors. And if you want to measure continuous output, then you need to go for continuous level sensor. Second part that you need to consider is what's the material. Is it a liquid, slurry, solid or powder base, or it is clean or sticky, conductive or corrosive. Third part you need to consider is tank size and shape. Tall tank, small tank or horizontal vessel. Radar or ultrasonic, it is best for tall tanks, and capacitive for bins or silos. Fourth one that you need to consider is contact or non-contact part. Non-contact sensors are like radar or ultrasonic, and second is contact sensor, that is float or GWR. This is better in small tanks or foamy liquids. Fifth part that you need to consider is process conditions like temperature, pressure, vapor or foam present or not, and use radar for extreme environment and use submersible sensor in wells or boreholes. Sixth part that you need to consider is output required, whether you required 4 to 20 milliampere output or relay switch or Modbus or hard for PLC SCADA integration. Seventh part that you need to consider is material of construction, means MOC. Use SS316 or PTFE in corrosive or chemical industry, or use PVC or PP for water and wastewater plants. Eighth part that you need to consider is certification, like safety ratings, ATEX approved, flame-proof, IP68, SIL based or industry or safety zones that you need to consider while you choose the right level sensor. So that's how you choose the right level sensor based on your application, environment and industry needs. If you need any help selecting or sourcing a level sensor, visit our website www.radicaltechman.com or contact with us for free consultation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.